Problem set 3, question number 2. In triangle ABC is an isosceles in which AB equal to AC. So according to the question, we will draw one figure. So here it is given triangle ABC and it is isosceles, and which two sides are equal here? AB equal to AC. Isosceles means two sides are equal, and here AB and AC are equal. So in the figure, AB length is equal to AC length, so that's why it is isosceles. And sec BD and sec CE are medians. What is median? Whatever midpoint of one particular side, that midpoint is joined to the opposite vertex is called median. So here in this question, segment sec BD is the median. So this is the median. So D is the midpoint of side AC, and that midpoint is joined to the opposite vertex B. So that's why BD is the median. Similarly, BD is the median on AC. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AB and opposite vertex of E is C. So C is the median on side AB. That is given in the question. Next, show that BD is equal to CE. Here we have to show the length of BD is equal to length of CD. These two measures are same. Medians are equal. That we have to prove. So medians are drawn on two equal sides. That's why the lengths of medians also equal. This is the proof we have to do in this question. So how to start? Here already it is given on AB, CE is the median, correct? So E is the midpoint. We know if E is the midpoint, length of AE and length of EB, these two are equal, correct? So we can write AE is equal to BE is equal to these two half lengths. These are the lengths. The full length is AB, correct? So this is equal to half of AB, right? BE is equal to half of AB. Similarly, AE is half of full length AB, correct? So this is the equation 1. What is the reason here? CE is median on side AB. Next, this side. Here BD is the median of AC on AC. So D is the midpoint. If D is the midpoint, length of AD is equal to length of CD. See, length of AD is half of the full length, that is AC, correct? Similarly, length of CD is also half of AC. That's why half of AC, full length. Consider this as equation 2. The reason is BD is median on side AC. Okay, so after doing this, now see equation 1 and 2. See, we know that here in the question it is given AB is equal to AC. Side AB and side AC are equal. So from here we will start. Here it is given AB is equal to AC. This is given in the question. So here just multiply half both the sides. What happens? You will get half into AB, and here this side half into AC. Multiply half to both the sides of equation 3. Sides of equation 3. So you will get half AB equal to half AC. Now half AB equal to what? From equation 1, A is equal to B, is it? So in the place of half AB, I will write A is equal to BE is equal to half AC is nothing but AD equal to CD. AD equal to CD. I repeat, from the in the place of half AB, written A is equal to BE, and in the place of in between equal sign, same to same, and in the place of half AC, written AD is equal to CD. AD is equal to CD. Next, After this is from equation 1, 2 and 3, and consider this as equation 4. This thing is equation 4. Now in triangle ABD and triangle ACE, in triangle ABD, this is the triangle, and in triangle BACE, ACE, this first triangle is this and second triangle is this. In these two triangles, angle A is common, is it? And side AB is equal to side AC given in the question. And already from equation 4, it is proved that side AD equal to AE. AD equal to AE we can take, is it? So side AB is congruent to side AC. This is given, and common angle A, common angle, and next side AE is congruent to side AD from 4. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACE. If these two triangles are congruent, we can say that side BD and CE also congruent. CSCT test. And here why it is congruent? SAS test. And therefore, seg BD is congruent to seg CE. Why? CSCT, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Therefore, we can say that BD is equal to CE. The measures of medians also equal. This is the proof.